that. Yeah, in Dubai Union Metro Station. We don't have. Before coming here was not even easy, and going back is another problem. Even reaching here now, we don't have the means for us to have a bus. No bus. I'm going to Mall of Emirates, but unfortunately, they told me no bus and no metro. No. I was Shando.
So,
Even Mrs. Where they would talk.
now to go babak mabak so. Carry on.
I dare you. No small
Always
appreciation.
complain them. See that they have money stores. I mean, go so I don't change. I don't buy the only so. They do not. They say they think are cheap. They're cheap. Why say that? Usually the line of those we take it for everything. Also now.
It's very vicious, so I did research for years, so I did. Mama just sent me a shop group.
You guys, look at, there's so many people in here, man.
Do this one.
Flabbergasted.
This situation back home, we call this kind of situation destruction of. Now, okay, do my go, mama.
Can you tell me what is happening at the metro right now?
Wow, it's really critical. We don't have no metro, no car. Since morning we are standing, no duty. I don't know, so we cannot even eat. You duty collapse. We are now coming. You don't even know where we're going. They say F1, look at the population. Nobody has no way to start. People need to go back home or what? I don't know.
Yes, we need to go back home, really.
We need to go back
Because
home.
there is nothing happening here,
Yeah,
man.
really dumbfounded.
The metro is not working. The metro is not working.
Use bus. You know the bus from yesterday.
The metro is not working, guys. So we are going back home.
Fine.
I go out, I go back for house.
See this young man.
I'm going home, seriously. I'm going home.
Because
see,
They say boys too now.
look at
Bus
that.
too.
Yeah.
And now, using bus from here.
To that place, it will take like 2 hours.
Yeah?
Yes. So you'll be reached there around 12
That is
or
all
1.
already have data now.
I think around my friend will come back. That's back in this.
For Kamba, you see Kamba the same way. And for Kamba, for evening, go out
Was-
there because population will go there, not be the one. Because people don't go very earlier. Before this. People they come back at that time.
Huh?
Your own game.
Mine is working.
You know,
Right?
No.
Let's do it without a mic.
without a mic, okay.
So guys, hi. We are at the Union Metro right now, and so we can't go to work because the metro from Red Line is not going. It's not working. So we're at the metro right now, and it's not. I see the whole camera, and it's not working. Yeah, you check the camera too. You check out.
I'm tired, yeah. We'll be cameraman.
So
After
guys,
another
let's
complaint will come out.
ask him what is going on here at the Union Metro because a lot of people, as you can see, they're standing everywhere waiting for bus. Nobody is allowed to go to work today, except through bus.
Plane,
Not
plane.
metro anymore.
Unless you use plane.
Unless,
Yeah, I go
yeah,
use
unless-
plane. Or one go I use plane, they pay me how much?
But like talking about
so
fishing,
tell us
come
what
out.
is happening at the Union Metro right now.
The situation here is there is no metro. Rain fell in Dubai and there was water everywhere, so
It is sharp.
eh,
You know,
rain fell in Dubai and water is everywhere. So at this point, there's no metro, it's only bus. And so imagine you're walking right at Jebel Ali.
Why have you even seen the bus?
For you to visit the bus or go to work, it's not easy. So at this point, the only thing is for us to go home because
Now the F5 down.
it's for us to go home. The situation here is very, very bad. It's very, very bad. But we are hoping that something good comes. I think that iPhone is record on that song.
Very small.
It was as easy.
Let me look like
Yeah, at the metro. What's happening at the metro?
It's only going to Center Point, not going to the expo.
It's only going to Central Point. It's not going to metro. Oh my brother, this is really bad, you know. Okay,
Got
thank
the
you
bus
very
pass.
much. Thank you very much, my brother. See you. Bye bye. Yeah.
The thing is, only red line is not working.
Okay.
Only Central Point is working.
Only Central Point is okay. That means what do we have to do since red line is not working?
So where are you going?
I'm actually going to Expo 2020
So you have to go.
with bus. So how long is it going to take me with bus
So
to?
if you want to go to Expo 2020, you have to join. Maybe join Jebel Ali bus.
Okay.
You join Rasako bus. Jebel Ali is best. For Jebel Ali, we stop here at Jebel Ali bus station. So
Oh.
for the Jebel Ali bus station, Expo 2020 don't take now.
Oh my God.
That is
This is really stressful, you know, but inshallah, we are going to go to work no matter what. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
You don't know. This was so good. Tell us what is happening at the minute. You don't know. Like, are you going to work? Oh, okay. So which road are you going to work? So that we can go together.
I'm confused by the way. I don't know.
You're confused. You don't know what is going on. Oh, my sister, this is really bad. Okay, thank you very much. I'm going. How are you? You know the bus I can take to Metro's Expo 2020? Huh? No. Okay, only taxi. Okay, thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much. Hi, my brother. How are you doing? You're good. Okay, so can you tell me what is happening? Because I can see people standing everywhere. What's going on at the metro station here? Okay. Oh my God. No stop. Oh, directly to Center Point. Oh my God, this is very bad, man.
They told me in the net that you will go to Union, but I think instead of Union, if we go to Burjuman,
Okay.
so we can go to Business Bay or somewhere else.
Oh, okay. So
From
that means
Bojaman.
from Bojaman to Business Bay or maybe. But now the metro is not going to Bojaman now. How is that?
This is from Burjuman metro station, I think
It will go from Bojaman metro station. Yeah, that's the problem, no? Okay, so this one directly go to Expo 2020.
this one.
Center Point. Oh my God, this is bad. Oh my. So now, how many days you've not gone to work because of this kind of issue?
2 days.
2 days. Oh my God. I'm also 2 days. I've not gone to work. The third day now.
You got new job?
I don't know. Yeah, I got it. Oh my God, this is really horrible, man. It's horrible. It's horrible, my brother. Yeah.
You are not nice. You know they romantic. I don't know how you do. How you do?
Yeah, okay, my brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you. Yeah, bye-bye.
You know what I mean, Eric?
Yes. Talk to us, sister. What's going on at the metro station right now?
I'm really frustrated metro station. So
Yes.
now I need to go back. Look at population everywhere. Everybody's frustrated. No duty for about 3 days today. Due to the rainfall that has fallen for about 21 hours a day, almost a day.
Oh my
And
God.
everywhere is flooded with water.
That's very
Nobody
bad.
didn't walk. Even to go out and buy something to eat, I'm not sure it's easy. So we need to really see. And people will see camera and see people are enjoying. We are not enjoying, no.
We are not enjoying here. Oh.
Easy.
It's not easy here.
Dubai is not for the weak, at least. People need to understand when they send money, appreciate it, because here we suffered a lot to make this money. Inshallah.
Nice. Mommy. Oh, do na. Look at people, guys. See how people flop for metro. Look at, they are standing like that just to take a. This is horrible, man. This is horrible. It's horrible. So this is what is happening at the Union Metro right now. There are a lot of people waiting to get a bus to their destination. And still here, guys. We are still here, man.
Yeah, we are in Union.
Look at people.
Yeah, guys, we are in Union Metro Station. And you can see people hospitals.
Look at people over there, guys. It's not easy, man.
Car cannot work because of water. The everywhere is water because of water. The rain that fall about 2-3 days ago. Right from 1 hour. Right here we have everywhere water. So the metro cannot work. People mostly work this year metro. Except the normal cars will not work. Cars, the water will cover
All
everything.
metro stops, so I am searching for the.
They are now
Yes, guys, so I'm going back again to the house. This is the third day I'm not going to work because the metro is not moving. Wow, my God. See this one. He's ready to dance. He's going back home.
Oh my hope, oh my hope.
Because the metro is not moving.
Where shall I see my hope?
Hey, where shall I see my
I will in my house.
prefer home, like seriously, we prefer our home.
But seriously, guys, I really feel bad for not going to work. This is the third day and I have not been to work. It's really bad, man. And I will have to replace these days or the day. Like, it's really frustrating. Seriously, it's not easy, man. It's not really easy. So yeah, we're going back, man. I'm going back to the house. Ooh, so now so guys, I'm at Al-Bashir right now. I just look at, it's around 11 p.m. in this place, and this is the car that I came with. This car, my things are actually here though. Let me show you my thing. I should wait.